In this video, I'll be unboxing this Sony sports band SRF-F1. This is brand new. I got it from a thrift store for a few bucks. I was really excited and I wanted to unbox it and show you what's coming inside the box originally. So let's check the packaging first. Okay. This is in English and French. It was sold in Canada, so maybe this is why. I don't know if they were sold in the US, if it was the same. Here's the back. And what this is actually just a radio. A radio for people doing sports, I guess. So let me open up. Great. So what we have here is the band to put it, the headband, I would say, to put it around your head. And this is, so you attach it to the handband like so and pass the actual headphones cable around, just like showed on this picture. See? Here we have the charger, which is actually bigger than the radio itself. What's interesting about this charger is, well, how it works is you put batteries inside and it's meant to take it with you. So when your radio needs more juice, well, you just have to plug it to this portable charger. This way. So the battery here will actually charge your radio. And on the box it's saying that charge the receiver 3 hours of listening per 3 hours of charge. So yeah. Put this aside. Here we have some headphones. And the radio. Very slim. I don't know if you can see it, but my finger is thicker than this radio. It was really a thin, very thin radio. So on the back here it has the clip that you can attach it to your headband. On the side here you have your headphone jack and the port so you can charge it. And on the other side there's nothing really. On the front you have the tuner. And you have your volume switch right here. They really feel high quality. I know it's all made of plastic, but it feels solid. And it's cool that you can see here you have a small window when you're tuning, so you know which channel you are on. And finally there's the power switch right here. I really like the design. Very thin. And what else on the box is this, a small paper here that is showing how to open the buckle that is on the back. And you have here a band that you should put it around your arm. just like that here. So they give you two options to wear it on your forehead. I mean, not on your forehead, but on the side of your head and on your arm, I guess. Very cool. So this was it. This was the unboxing of the Sony FM Walkman SRF-F1. Please give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this.